Landforms, Investigation 1, Schoolyard Models. In this investigation, students will create a three-dimensional model of their school area. They will experience how maps can be generated from models and how they can be scaled. To set up for the investigation, refer to the Getting Ready section in the investigation folio. Working in pairs, students will use half of the stream table tray to create a three-dimensional model of their schoolyard. Other than centimeter cubes and craft sticks, I would encourage students to use additional materials like toothpicks, Lego pieces, and cardboard. It is also a good idea to take the students outside to do this activity so that the experience becomes more genuine. Once their model is complete, students will place an overlay transparency on top of the tray and trace their model from an aerial perspective. They will notice that some structures may look very different in both representations, and this will be a great opportunity to compare the different features in their models. The last part of the investigation is to transfer the information on the overlay to the map grid. Students use the labels on both grids to help them make a similar drawing that is smaller than the first one. They will also include a map key and symbols in their maps. The word bank and content inquiry sections at the end of each part of the investigation help students to reflect on their learning. Photo cards are also very helpful to ELLs and visual learners. You may find a science notebook rubric on the BPS Science Weebly website. Additional rubrics can also be found in the teacher's guide. The Student Learning Outcome document on the BPS Science Weebly website gives you an overview of the learning outcomes for each investigation, and they are organized by units of study. Here's one for the Schoolyard Models investigation. For more resources, you may visit the FOSS website, where you can find valuable materials like teacher's guide, teacher preparation videos, investigation masters, multimedia tools, ebooks, Taking FOSS Outdoors Guide, and more. Let's take a look at the FOSS website. In order to access the contents, you will need to obtain access codes from the Science SIS page. Now within this page, you may find the complete e-teacher guide, investigation masters, it has all the pages you need for this entire unit. Multimedia activities, student ebook, that is the science stories, and many more valuable resources.